Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I trust that you are doing okay. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Kadeja and you just logged on to Beautifully Slayed. Let's go ahead and talk about this unit that we'll be working with today. First of all, this unit is from Love Me Here. The unit is 22 inches long. It is a 4x4 lace and I think it is a 180% density. This is a glueless closure bodywave wig, and straight up you can look at it and tell that it is a super fine wig. It is given everything that it's supposed to give. And honestly, I just love this unit. The unit comes with 2 combs in the side, the adjustable strap at the back. It's fully customized, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, ready to be installed. And because it is a closure unit, it is super easy to install. Not only that, it is super affordable. Now if you're interested in this video and you want to get more details on how I install this unit, go ahead and keep on watching this video and I'll be back with my final thoughts and a coupon code. I'll see you soon. Okay, so let's go ahead and make our base, but before I do that, I really want to make some baby hair for this unit because it is a 4x4 closure wig, so it's from temple to temple. So I really want to make some baby hair to give it a more natural feel. So I will be using my Pro styling gel to make my baby hair. Alright guys, so I really thought this gel was gonna hold it down, but I don't know, it's not giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm gonna use my Cream of Nature edge control to lay this down because it's not giving. Alright guys, so this is what the baby hair is looking like. These baby hairs are supposed to act like edges for our wig because the wig is a 4x4 unit, so it stops typically like right here. So these baby hairs are acting like the rest of the edges for our wig. This is it. Now that our baby hair is finished, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig grip strap on. This is basically my bald cap method without the bald cap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig grip strap on. And I'm also just gonna go ahead and put a super thin wig cap over this. So before I move forward, I just want to show you guys what the wig looks like after I wash it. It is really giving a nice look. This unit actually comes fully customized for us. It comes with the strap on already. It has 2 combs in the side, 1 in the front, 1 in the center, and it comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So now for my base, I'm just gonna apply some foundation to my lace. Go ahead and turn the lace inside out and apply these. I have this elf cream contour palette and I normally use this shade right here. It actually don't have a name but this is the shade I always use for my wigs. You just want to find the shade that matches you the best, and this is my shade. So I turned the wig inside out and now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the foundation to the lace. So this is what our wig is looking like. The hairline is looking pretty good. The wig actually comes fully plucked for us, so it's looking pretty natural already. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do a side part or keep it in the center because we definitely have enough room for both. I feel like most of my wigs I do a center part, but let's see the side. I'm really not a big fan of side parts, so I really try to keep my wigs in the center. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Samnite wax stick to apply to the hairline. And listen, use whatever wax stick you've got, use it. Whatever it is, use it. This is the one I have, the Somnite wax stick. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to the hairline. So this is it. Now that we pull the wig forward, it's giving a really nice natural plucked look. What I do now is to cut my excess lace off, and pretty much that will be it. I will be applying a little bit of glue to this unit, but it could be worn as a glueless unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off, and you want to be cutting in a upright zigzag motion just to give it a more natural look. You know, you don't want to be a straight line across. You want to do a nice zigzag up and down motion. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut in a zigzag motion. A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Okay, so it is given glueless. It is given natural. It's giving glueless, and I just love it. So now I will be applying some glue to my hairline. I will be using my olive oil wig grip spray. It's not going to be a lot, it's just a little bit, because as I said, the unit could be worn like this because it is a closure unit, it is a glueless unit, but I will be applying glue to mine, so it's out of preference. You could wear it like this and it'll still give that natural glueless effect. Honestly, it is super cute and I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some glue and finish this up. Use my finger and just apply it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull my wig forward right there. Guys, so this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and make a little bit of a swoop to cover the track right here because I can still see it a little bit, but this is like good comparing to other wigs that I've installed. This track is pretty easy to hide, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make a little bit of a baby here and cover these bumps right here using my Got To Be Glue Invisible Styling Gel. Alright, so the tracks are covered. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down while we finish styling our wig. Guys, so I'm laying down my lace. In the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish styling my hair and get my curls, get some volume and some layers into this unit. This is it. Just gonna go ahead and finish styling my wig. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay, cause I found my way. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my hair. I will be using my Paul Mitchell Flexible Thermal Heat Protection Spray along with their Super Skinny Serum to make my curls. I'm just gonna go ahead, get some curls into this unit, and let's see what she looks like.
reach out to the sky. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
Alright guys, so I just finished making my curls. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull these out. Just run my finger through them. Give it some nice bouncy loose wave. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take this strap off and see what it looks like. But it is given volume, it's given bouncy. I just love how these curls are just moving. It's giving body wave. Super, super bouncy. So now I'm just gonna take this off and see what she looks like. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. I think she is so pretty. Let's see what the back looks like. She is so pretty. Is what it looks like. I think she's so pretty. The hair is just so soft. The pros for me, it was super easy to apply. The unit comes fully customized, plus it blends with my skin so good. I just love this unit. You guys can let me know how you feel about this unit. Tell me what you think down in the comment section. I love this unit. This is it. Again, this unit is from Love Me Here. And this is their 22-inch 4x4 closure body wave wig. I love it. If you're interested in this unit, the link is in my description. Go ahead and make your purchase. Be sure to use my coupon code to get your discounts. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave some comments down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.
'Cause I found my way, my way, my way.